90-Day Fiancé, Larissa shares mean messages from her followers about her kids. Larissa Lima de Santos made her first debut on 90-Day Fiancé when she appeared alongside her ex, Cole Johnson. After she and Cole underwent a divorce, Larissa still appeared on the Happily Ever After spinoff. This time, she is with her on and off boyfriend, Eric Nichols. Normally, Larissa would often talk about her family on social media. Now, she has to speak up since a hater sent her horrible texts involving her children. Several 90-Day Fiancé fans had in mind that Larissa only wanted to get married to an American so that she could stay there. She also received plenty of critics from fans for leaving her 2 children in Brazil. Larissa was in the US splurging on plastic surgeries while her kids were waiting for her to return home. But who are we to judge? Larissa once admitted that she wanted to look like a blow-up doll. Hence, she spent somewhat around $75,000 to get the look she wanted. After she was fired by TLC, Larissa had to look for a new source of income to survive in the US. Now she works as an adult content creator. Larissa is proud of what she does. She even shares tips and tricks from time to time on how to make a maximum income by making adult content. Larissa Lima has more than 750,000 Instagram followers and 11,000 on YouTube. The reality star used to talk about her family, but not anymore since her followers have been ramping up hate recently. In her Instagram post, Larissa shared that a Forever fan had sent her a despicable message. Larissa said that the hater fan had sent her a text saying that she would make sure her children see her premium contents only meant for adults. The hater added that she wanted her to hurt because she deserved it. Moreover, the same hater also sent pictures of children being sexually exploited. Larissa had a very long text added to her caption, where she expressed her feelings regarding the disgusting text that she had gotten. Fans think that Larissa makes terrible decisions and actions, but what the hater fan did was 1,000 times worse. Who would want to involve children in such matters? After what happened, the 90-Day star decided to keep her relationship and family life private. In her message, she was clear that she did not want to impress anyone. What's more, Larissa claimed that she didn't care if she lost thousands of followers. She also added that she would not stop filming.